BECE, 1994, Section B, Question 1. 1a. Multiply a minus b, into brackets, by 2b minus a, into brackets. 1b. Find the truth set, of 2x minus 6, is less than or equal to, 5 multiply by, opening round bracket, 3 minus x, closing round bracket. Illustrate your answer on a number line. 1c. Given that, u, equals to minus 2 on 3, and v, equals to 2 on 6, find, 1/3 opening round bracket, u, plus half v, closing round bracket. BECE, 1994, Section B, Question 2. 2a. A ladder leans against a wall. The end of the ladder touches the wall 12 meters from the ground. The foot of the ladder is 9 meters away from the foot of the wall. I. What is the length of the ladder? I. Calculate the angle that the ladder makes with the wall. 2b. Given that pi equals to 3.14 and g equals to 20. Find the value of f in the relation f equals to 3/4 pi g squared. BECE, 1994, Section B, Question 3. 3. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, a. Construct triangle PQR, in which PQ equals to 8 cm, angle QPR equals to 45 degrees, and angle PQR equals to 90 degrees. Measure QR. 3b. Construct the mediator of line PQ to meet line PR at the point S. 3c. With S as the center, and radius 3 cm, construct a circle. BECE, 1994, Section B, Question 4. 4. Using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on both axes, draw two perpendicular lines OX and OY on a graph sheet. Mark the x-axis from -5 to 5, and the y-axis from -6 to 6. Mark the origin, O. Draw on the same graph sheet, indicating in each case, the coordinates of all the vertices, I. The square ABCD, where A has coordinates 1, 2, B has coordinates 4, 2, C has coordinates 4, 5, and D has coordinates 1, 5. For I. Using the y-axis as a mirror line, draw the image A1, B1, C1, D1 of square ABCD, where A maps into A1, B maps into B1, C maps into C1, and D maps into D1. For I. Draw an enlargement A2, B2, C2, D2 of the square ABCD with scale factor -1 from O, such that A maps into A2, B maps into B2, C maps into C2, and D maps into D2. For V. What single transformation maps A2, B2, C2, D2 onto the square A1, B1, C1, D1? BECE, 1994, Section B, Question 5. The following table gives the distribution of sales of soft drinks, sold by the Acro-Kyrie JSS canteen, in 1 week. Soft drink. Number of bottles sold. Fanta, 13. Pepsi, 21. Mirinda, 14. Coca-Cola, 17. Sprite, 7. Draw a pie chart to illustrate the sales.